Welcome to the clock operation demonstration video. In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in relay of the clock. The clock comes with a micro relay, and you can check its related parameters in the manual. First, make sure the working voltage and current of the device connected to the relay match the relay's parameters, and choose the correct relay switch mode. Here, I'll use this alarm bell as an example. We can see its working voltage is DC 12V, and the working current is 60 milliamperes, so I'm going to power it directly using the clock power adapter. For this, my relay switch mode should be set to wet relay contacts. Now, we'll connect the relay output converter. The first pin is connected to the red wire of the alarm bell, and the second pin is connected to the black wire of the alarm bell. Once connected, we'll plug it into the clock's relay output port. The clock is already configured with a local Wi-Fi network, so we can see the Wi-Fi indicator light is on. Now we can log in to the clock's webpage using a computer or phone browser on the same Wi-Fi network. First, let's check if our alarm bell wiring is correct, so we'll go to the console page. Here, when we click Relay On, the alarm bell should ring, and the yellow status indicator light of the relay should also light up. Let me demonstrate. Alright, everything is as expected. Now, let's simulate an actual scenario by configuring a relay event for an alarm event. The current time is 3:25 p.m. I'll set an alarm for 3:26 p.m. and select Relay as the event with a duration of 2 seconds. An alarm can have up to 3 response events. You can also choose speaker output or start a countdown when the alarm triggers, setting the countdown time. Here, we'll only select the relay event for now. Click Save Change, and after saving, we see the alarm status indicator light on the clock is on. Now, let's wait a bit. At 3:25, we see the alarm triggers the relay, and the alarm bell rings for 2 seconds. Alright, that's the step-by-step process of connecting the alarm bell via the relay. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thanks for watching.